great.
So we got like 20 pieces of product that we're trying to move under the table. We were hoping maybe that you had a distributor for us. Maybe you had some connections that we could get.
Connections, yeah, great, okay. I've got a friend of a friend, okay?
Yeah.
I can get you in touch with him. He is very picky about the product, all right? I mean, we don't want another situation like we had with Dirty Dough and Crumble going on. You know what I mean? That got really messy. So he wants some guarantees as far as, you know, ingredients, organic, consistency, purity of essence.
Yeah, we're actually very happy with this batch. We cleared 96% on this one.
96%, wow. Okay, well, and you can, this is verifiable, I assume. Here,
Super verified.
here's his number. It'll sound like it's a mattress store, which it is. And just write down just say what's written down there, word for word, and should be good to go. All right, gentlemen. Okay. If you got any other baking friends, tell them to better call Saul. All right. Okay. Okay. Just check out with Mercedes out there. She'll get y'all straightened up.
Mr. White, where are you?
Hello?
Yo, Mr. White, where are we meeting?
The field by Cornwallis. Where are you?
I'm by the cow house.
Cow house?
You know where the cows live?
Just meet me by the field.
Okay, we'll see you there. So, why here, Mr. White? Why don't we go to the shopping mall or something?
Shopping mall? Are you crazy? That is a public place. We cannot do public places. I know the weather's a little risky.
You've seen too many movies, Mr. White. There he is. Stuco? Are you Mr. White?
Yeah, Mr. White.
Is that your product? Tight! Yeah! How much? 100 per batch, yo. It's harder than a cranky donkey. Mr. White! Yeah, let's go!
One of these nights, one of these crazy old nights, we're gonna find out, pretty mama, what turns on your lights. The full moon is calling, the fever is high.